All right, guys, I've got my Fender Deville 410 amp all tube. I bought this new in about 2005, and I've got it turned up to, it's hard to see now, the knobs are, or the numbers are gone, but about 6 on the clean channel. I have got my Super Reverb Tone Master put on 45 watts, and it is on just shy of 7 on the volume. A Super Reverb is rated at 45 watts for the tube version. The Deville is rated at 60 watts, tube watts. We're going to be running it through my USA Strat. I'm going to start out with the Hot Rails pickup. So no distortion, only an AB box. That's all I'm running, no effects. And let's see what they sound like. Now we're going to turn the volume down to about 3 on the Deville, about 5 on the Super Reverb Tone Master. We'll go down here to the neck pickup and we'll run a few clean sounds for comparison. Now for a little bit more of a real world type comparison, we're just going to throw in the looper pedal and drum track and a little backing track, and I'm going to be running the Dynacomp and the little Timmy in this for effects, and that's it. Clean channel again, everything's sitting on about 5 and 3, so here we go. tell you that these amps are the same or that a Tone Master is the same as a tube amp. It's not. There's things that I prefer about the tube amp, and there's things that I actually prefer about the Tone Master. They are both absolutely workable, giggable, usable amps with great tone, I think. They're just two different beasts, but man, I've been happy with my Tone Master so far, you know. You just have to decide for yourself.